a phone slash tablet pillow stand, and this is compatible with 4 inches to 13-inch phone and tablets. Check this out. This is also from the company Viozon. I've had products from these guys before, and they have been absolutely phenomenal. And looking over here, you can see how the phone mounts in there and how the tablet mounts in there. You know what? Let's just take this thing out of the box. Came in this box right here, very nicely packaged. I've actually already had it out, used it. That's why it looks like this. And let me show you, there's some cool things going on with this thing. Put the box aside. Yeah, this is like a product brochure that goes over some of their other products. A very good product. Everybody, I can't recommend this company enough. They're such a good company. A little kind of like video series right there. And this is how this thing works. There's actually not much to it. You know, looking over it, they came with these instructions. You see how the phone mounts right there? What this does, this has a magnetic slip on it. So you're going to mount this down and it slides on this little magnet thing. Very interesting by the way they did it. If you want, this is a ring that would mount on the back of your phone. Let me show you what this is. These are these magnetic, this is basically a ring that mounts to that. See that? But guess what, everybody? You see my phone, I have one already built into the case. So see how I have a ring that's built into the case. So let me show you how this thing's gonna work. So you've got it right here, and when you lift it up, 2 things. You have a cup holder right here that holds pretty much any standard cup. You see this slider right here? Yeah. So what you're going to do, you're going to get this slider just like that. Is that not cool? Look how nice. And you see what's going on here? Down inside there, I don't know if you can see down in there, there's a magnetic holder down there. You have a little thing right here for holding it, I guess. That's what that's for. That looks cool. It's very comfortable, and right here is basically to open it, remove this, wash it if you need to. You can take it all apart, but watch this. So I got my cell phone there. Boom. Just like that, everybody. You see how that works? And I could go vertical or horizontal, just like that. If I want to move it, see how I can move it around like that? And see, this is on a magnet. Now let's say you want to do, and look how, oh, you can just close it up when you want to. Also, what's great about this, say if you wanted to put like a Kindle or something, which I don't have, you could put your cell phone in there, put my drink right there, then have like maybe an Amazon tablet or a Kindle tablet or something right here. I could read, watch movies, do whatever while I'm pretty much lounging around the couch or anything like that. That's pretty cool, and I have my phone right there. But me personally, what I got it for is putting the phone up there and then maybe a drink while I'm kind of like laying in bed or kind of like lounging around. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Viozon phone and tablet holder. See you on the next video.